Good morning. This is Dr. Yogesh, HOD, Department of Physiology, Sri Chamundeshwari Medical College Hospital and Research Institute, Channapatna. In this video, I am going to talk about estimation of hemoglobin. So there are various methods for estimating hemoglobin. Here what we are going to see is Sally's method. Let's quickly see some of the steps. First thing is the hemoglobin tube. You can appreciate that the tube has one side marking in yellow. This is showing the gram percent, and on the other side the marking in the red in percentage. So let us follow the gram percent. So the first step is you are going to fill the n by 10 HCl provided in this bottle up to the 2 mark. So since here it is a transparent fluid, the lower meniscus should touch the 2 mark. If the HCl is a little more also, it is not a problem, it is okay, but not too much. Maybe a few drops is okay. Next what we are going to do is, this is the comparator box. In the comparator box you can see the comparator rods present on either side. This colored rods, this is the one which is going to indicate the end of the experiment once you have prepared the solution and once you started diluting it. So the first step will be, after adding HCl, we are going to place the hemoglobin tube into the comparator box. After that, with the help of the hemoglobin pipette, you are going to take, there is only single mark here, unlike the RBC and WBC pipettes. Here there is no confusion, only one mark present here. Take blood up to the mark and transfer the entire blood by dipping the entire pipette into the hemoglobin tube, blow it out. The next thing is the stirrer. Some of the stirrers, you will be noticing that there is a flat end on one side. The flat end is given not for you to hold it. The flat end should always go inside the preparation. So that is going to, when you rotate, flat end is also going to rotate inside and it is going to mix the blood and the n by 10 HCl. So we wait for some time, for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, the hemoglobin is going to react with the HCl to form acid amatin, and we are going to get a dark chocolate brown preparation. And now we continue to add distilled water till the end of the experiment. Don't remove it out, because if you remove it, what will happen, you are going to lose some amount of the fluid. Again you are going to get a lesser value. Never remove it till the end of the experiment. So you continue to add the drops, mix it, compare. When you are comparing, always what you should do is, you should hold the entire apparatus at 1 arm's distance, and to compare the fluid, you should lift the stirrer up. Then you have to see whether it is matching or not. Another thing is, please do not close the back part. If you close the back part, light will not enter. So hold the comparator box in such a way so that it will allow the light to transmit inside. Ideally speaking, you have to see this against the light. So window is this side, so it's ideal to keep it on this side. If the camera person sees, you can appreciate how nicely it is seen now. I will turn the tube and I will also lift the stirrer up. So it becomes easier for comparison. And once the solution starts matching with the rods, you have to, once you stop the experiment, for taking the reading also, what you do, lift the stirrer up above the fluid, don't remove outside, and take the reading. You are removing the stirrer out only once you have shown it to the examiner. So once everything is over, that is the only time you are removing the stirrer out. Otherwise, don't remove it. So other things in this experiment, just know which are the other types of hemoglobin estimation, which is the fastest type and which is the most accurate type. What are the advantages of this method? What are the disadvantages? What is the normal hemoglobin level? if hemoglobin, which are the conditions where you see hemoglobin level, in which the hemoglobin level is less. So when you answer anemia, what will happen? The discussion will continue towards anemia. Questions may come on hemoglobin, what are the hemoglobin derivatives, different hemoglobin forms, fetal hemoglobin. So it continues and it goes like that. It all depends how you're answering. Discussion will continue like that. So that is about the hemoglobin experiment. Thank you.